Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Occult Cat TV. I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu. So, let's get down to business. A message from Belial. It is only once, it is only after you've lost everything can you truly create what you desire. You can either willingly lose these things and choose to accept the sacrifices that you are making for your betterment or your growth, or you can let all things fall away from you and fade away as they are needed to. You can either accept it and allow it to happen at a faster rate, or you can just embrace the suffering. Everything that is no longer needed in your life had to leave in order for you to understand and know who you are. You realize at the moment no one's helping you. Truly, no one will save you. You must be the one to save yourself. If you look at all these people around you, what you call friends, I have merely showed you their masks. I've merely showed you who they are, at their truth and their core. They were never your friend. They were merely around you for energy. They were merely around you for your light, for what you emanated. They were lost, they were in the dark, they were a sinking ship, and you are a torch in the night. Do not let the wrong people in. Do not let the wrong people around you. The reason the Cliffoth is designed to take everything away, including your soul, is because it takes away that which is not needed in order to give you that which is real, that which is true. We build off illusions. When we're in the Cliffoth, we're going through immense truth. The Cliffoth destroys illusion to show you truth. This is when you start to lose a lot of friends. This is when you maybe lost a lover, went through a breakup, maybe a death in the family. All these things, symbolically, not actually physically sacrificed, but all of these things symbolically sacrificed, that when you choose to let these things go, you're cutting the cords per se, or inflaming the cords, burning them, torching them, making sure none of them are attached to you so that you can go about your journey with none of this interference. This is what it is to embrace self-sacrifice. This is what Belial teaches, is self-sacrifice. The more that you choose to sacrifice that which is no longer suited, that which is no longer meant for you, you are choosing to show the universe that you desire better, than you desire what others were, how they were treating you or giving you. You can have 5 friends that are all brokies, all poor, all lazy fat fucks. What are you gonna be if you are in that group of 5 people? Even if you're doing this work right, you're still the leader of a group of lazy fat fucks. The thing is, now you put yourself in a group with millionaires, all making money, all driving nice supercars, all growing and bettering themselves, spending money on not stupid, frivolous shit, but the things that they need to evolve and better their business. What are you going to be? A businessman, a millionaire. Change your circles, expand your network with people. Embrace your routines. Set goals for yourself. And always focus on the bigger picture. And with that, guys, that was a message from Belial. Again, that was Belial as well. This is Atanu from Occult Cat TV. So I hope you guys enjoyed that channeling and that message, as well as its kind of twin-headed possession, serpentine possession. While I was getting that message through clearly. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day. From me, and as well, Belial. Have a good one. Peace.